Hello and welcome to the channel. Today we're trying to make a small rose from scratch, and you can learn it in under 10 minutes with our video. It is very easy to learn, and all you have to do is remember these four things right here. Pause the video, go through it all over again, and please follow the instructions on screen, and I will be here to guide you through it. So first of all, what you want to do is you want to make 90 chains, which will serve as our base, so we can go through um, the whole process together. And what you want to do is just simple 90 chains. Really nothing to worry about. What you really want to be focusing on is this is the base for our next 45 double crochet and single crochet combo, which we're going to be going through in the next step. And with that, right, so this combo, it will serve as a base for our rose petals and our green leaves for the flower. So what you want to do is you want to start with 6 double crochet for the rose petal, right? Right, so what we're doing is we are going with half the chains that we've created for our base. So if it's 90 chains, we're going with 45 because that's half. And if it's 80 chains, you're going to go with 40 chains, 40 double chain and single chain combo, just like shown. And when you're done, so what you want to do is you want to skip 2 and then start right there. As you can see, right there, she skipped 2, and then with the double crochet and the single chain to connect it to the next one, and so on and so on. You're going to go through the processes over and over again till you get 45 of these, right? So it's going to look like a weird little net thing, and by the end of it, as you can see, right, you see, this is kind of the base for our petals. We're going to go with the rose petals first. We're going to start with that. And for our rose petals, as we've said before, we're going to be going with 6 double crochet for each rose petal and for each leaf. All right, and we're going for 14 rose petals and 7 green leaves. So what you want to start with is a double crochet onto our base, and right there, that is 1 double crochet, 2, and similarly we just go through the whole motions, go through the whole 6 double crochet for each leaf, and then we have to connect it to the next leaf, the next petal, sorry. And as you can see, right, and we can do that by creating a single crochet between the leaves, so it has like that you know, that separation between the leaves and the petals, so to speak, right? As you can see, the single crochet in the middle, and then you want to start on top of the single chain that we have already made for our base. So on top of the single chain right there, we're going to create in the same hole, we're creating 6 double crochet again, and connect it to the next one with a single crochet, and go through the motions all over again and again and again till we have 14 red leaves. All right, and why 14 red leaves, sorry, red petals? Again, I missed. Right, so the 14 petals, because we have to roll them, kind of roll them into the basic shape of the rose, right? So we need 14 petals for that, and we need 7 green leaves to make the whole thing into a perfect rose, right? And you can change the dimensions however you like. If you have 80, go with 40 and maybe reduce the number by 2, 12, and then 6, something like that, right? So you have to make sure you get it right and you don't mess the whole proportions up, so that your rose will look good and will look beautiful when you roll it up and create the final look as we've shown in the beginning. Right, so the 14 red leaves are complete at this point, and what you want to do now is you want to mix the green yarn with the red one, just like so. And of course we'll have a new tutorial on how to mix colors again someday. We're working on that as we speak. We'll have that soon on our channel as well, so you can learn that as well. It is really easy. I mean, you can probably learn it right here from this tutorial alone, because my mom's really going through the motions right now. She's really doing it very slowly, so you can understand every single part of the um, whole crochet and how to do it. Right, so the green leaves are not the same as the red leaves, the red petals. They're a little different for the shape's sake, because leaves and petals, they have a different shape, and we have to make sure we get the shape right for our final look. So as you can see, we have to get a pointy look for the green leaves. And then if you're done with the first leaf, then go through a single crochet, and we're gonna be crocheting the next leaf just like so. And as you can see, we are using the double crochet to do that as well. Granted, it is a little different than the red leaves, and that is for a reason, because we have to get that pointy leaf look for the final complete look to be actually beautiful and symmetrical, right? So you really wanna focus here to get the right instructions through what she's doing right now. Right, I don't think I need to explain what she's doing right now. It is very clear. And right, and at the end you just want to roll it up as I'm showing here. It is really easy. The hard part was the leaves, especially the green leaves. So what you want to do is just roll it up like this. Keep it in balance, keep it clean, just like this. And as you can see, the green leaves are coming in just as we thought, around the red petals. And good job, it is all done in under 10 minutes. And you just connect it at the end. Please comment down below what new tutorials we can do for you, and we will work on them. Please like and subscribe. Thank you very much.